our stateroom.
Boom. What's going on, guys? Brian and Priscilla here, and real quick, we wanted to do a short video just showcasing the Norwegian Sky stateroom we got. So here's a brief overview. Now we got, it's a king bed, right?
I believe so.
It looks like it. It's pretty wide. Single room, king bed, ocean view right there, and got the awesome pink sky going on right now. It's starting to fade. But anyways, always nice having the porthole to be able to see. It's not a balcony, but it's a porthole. So you can at least see kind of where we're at if we're leaving port, getting into port, all the above. And boom, also have a little side wing, strangely like wide seat.
Yeah, it's comfortable. And it's good because you can always put like your clothes or bags or whatever you need to. So
actually, for most of the cruise, we've been stacking stuff here the entire time because why sit there when we can sit on the bed? Now on this side, we got, of course, the TV. Now I will say when we checked in, the remote didn't work, but our room keepers out front, they were super friendly and switched out the remote super fast for us. And let's see what we got down here.
We have a little fridge. We haven't used, but
yep. And here's like a little stool, so if you want to come out
and do your makeup,
I guess I can sit here and do my makeup and look at myself. But anyways, so obviously this is one thing that, oh hey, there I am. Oh, what's up? This is actually to me one of the most important things in the room, and something that I feel like always gets looked over, especially in some of the redesigned older ships like this one, is the charging station. So we do have here, let me unplug it, one standard outlet right here. This one right here is actually connects to the hair dryer that's in each stateroom. But also on top of it, these aren't normal plugs, but they are
USB.
Yeah, USB chargers. You have one right there, and then right on the exact opposite side, you have one right there. So over here, let's go back to the entertainment area. So anyways, TV, just a standard shelf right here. Here's a Dark and Stormy I was drinking earlier. It's probably still good. You can store stuff there, a couple glasses. A lot of nice little like nooks to store things. Even up here, I keep forgetting we even have that. If you just want to put something up there to get it out of the way at first. Yeah. Uh-oh, Disney movie on the Norwegian. Are they allowed to do that? What is this?
So
anyways.
here's the closet.
Yep, so here's closet. It's one big closet, but it's divided by two doors.
There's a safe.
Boom,
so
safe here,
good.
so.
Some drawers.
Yep.
And a full body mirror on this side.
Full body mirror. Hey, there we are again. I know those people. Yep, we got all of our stuff hung up right there.
Yeah.
And most importantly, it's kind of dark. Let me just adjust these settings for you all. So we got our shoes down there, some of our luggage, shirts, and most importantly, in case of emergencies, your life jackets are located at the very top of the closet, as is at most cruises.
Good to know.
Now let's come on this side. Underneath the bed too, you could even store your shoes, and we have one of our major suitcases stored underneath the bed so it's out of the way. Actually, it would have been smarter if we put our shoes under there too. And yeah, so if you want to like really save some space in here, you can do that. Oh, and I didn't even mention the little side wing tables there that you can put stuff in as well. So, nice little artwork in here too. I feel like the whole like decor in here is very simple but elegant.
And it feels new.
It feels very new, yeah. So, mentioned in another video, Norwegian Sky, this ship has operated for over 20 years now, but it was just remodeled, went through a full remodeling, especially with the staterooms, just last year, 2019. So really, as we've been walking around, we've been noticing how new everything looks, how fresh it all looks. So don't overlook this ship if you're thinking like, oh, it's an old ship. Well, they actually did a pretty good job remodeling it too. And just the whole like look of the room, like look at this nice shot right here. It looks very clean and elegant. Anyway, so now let's go to the bathroom. Boom. Take it over, Priscilla.
Okay. So it is a very small bathroom, but there's no way it could be a big one.
As is most cruises.
Yeah, so we have the shower here.
So here's the standard shower. It's like a little circle situation.
With body wash and shampoo, I believe.
Wash and shampoo. Okay. And
over here we have like some storage areas for like makeup and just bathroom stuff related.
Right there. Yep.
And
toilet paper, very important. That is very important.
It is like a cheap one, but it's not like those.
Yeah, I will say, quick comparison video, Carnival Cruise Lines or Norwegian Cruise Lines, who has better toilet paper?
Norwegian.
Yeah. So they get the point there.
Yeah. So they also have the hand soap here, so you don't have to worry about bringing one.
Oh, hey, pop quiz. Do you know, this is pop quiz right now, we didn't rehearse this, what that is?
Yeah.
Do you guys know? Real quick? No? All right, here we go. What is it? Go and grab it.
Well, you can.
It's a clothesline. Yep. So it stretches out.
And if you have like wet bathing suit or whatever.
Yeah, this is actually really comes in handy, especially on a cruise when you're at your port, you have wet towels all the time, you have wet bathing suits. Boom, look at that, expert level. Hanging stuff up. She might be the one that does all my laundry.
Yeah.
Sorry. But anyways, yeah, so low clothesline. So yeah, a lot of people have no idea what that is. That's what that is. All right. Oh, thermostat right here. This really does work because Priscilla was freezing like the first night, and I like woke up super late and I was like sweating, and I got up really quietly and turned it down, and she didn't know that. So let's see what else in here.
Well, I think that's pretty much it.
Oh, it's that Enchanted movie. That's it. That was on the other day. Yeah, is that pretty much it on the stateroom? Mm-hmm. Try to think. There's got to be something else. There's got to be something else.
No, it's a pretty small room. Mm-hmm. It's very comfortable. I would say that comparing to Carnival, at least the last one we did, this one is way better. It feels bigger.
It feels big. It feels like an actual like mini hotel room.
Yeah.
Versus a cruise ship stateroom where typically you feel very crammed. I think they did really good designing it for sure.
There's also like a hanger, kind of like a hanger here, so you can just.
Oh yeah, another hanger. And then one last thing. This is also kind of cool. Priscilla, hit it. Boom. Yep. So when you're laying in bed, actually, you can control the light right from there, and even the ones on the side, right? Isn't there a switch? Yeah. Boom. So you don't even have to get out of bed to do that.
Yep.
So, anyways, I think that is pretty much short and sweet. The stateroom tour for the Norwegian Sky. Yep. Yeah. So, like I said, super elegant. Pretty standard on some of the stuff. Some of the stuff's pretty cool. I wish they did have at least one more standard jack, because not everything is USB, even though it is convenient having them right next to it. But for someone like me with all my camera equipment and everything, it would be nice to have one more, just one more of those. And yeah, I think everything else is good. Anything else you would change?
No.
No?
I think it's a very comfortable room.
All right. Sweet. So, anyways, guys, thank you all for watching this tour of the Norwegian Sky Stateroom Tour. Yep. So, what did you just do? Thumbs up, meaning you guys should like this video. Subscribe to the channel so you see more cruise vlog videos, travel vlogs, And anything else you guys want to see, put it in the comment section below. Maybe we'll do it. Maybe we don't have enough money to do it. Anyways, on that note, we'll see you all next time. Peace out.
Bye.